Students often get confused between computer architecture and computer organization. Let us clear it up side by side in 60 seconds. Computer architecture is a blueprint. It tells you what the system does, instruction set, addressing modes, data formats, and overall design philosophy. Whereas the computer organization is the implementation. It tells how the system actually works, control signals, data path, memory hierarchy, and hardware details. Think of it this way: architecture is like the recipe, and organization is how you actually cook it in the kitchen. So remember, architecture is what a computer can do, organization is how it's built to do it. Follow for more computer science concepts simplified in 60 seconds. Thank you.